What you're about to see is a real patient with a real story and the Michigan orthopedic surgeon who provided extraordinary care to get them back to moving forward.
Zachary Papadakis, age 20, from Grand Blanc, Michigan, and I attended Davidson High School. Currently, I'm going into my sophomore year at Davenport University and play football. I'm a safety. Throughout most of my football journey, I battled multiple injuries, most of them being to my back. My back injuries really started when I was late 8th grade year, going into my freshman year, starting with a stress fracture. And then from that point on throughout my high school career, and I found some relief, and then now I've suffered another serious back injury, and I'm in the middle of recovering from that. Through the fall of 2023 season, I played throughout that season, and then when the season completed, I was experiencing some back pain. I was doing some pain management to help me get through that. But as I got closer to spring ball, the back pain really kept getting worse. Then one day when I was on the track before our first day of spring ball, I was just doing some normal speed work, how I would really on any normal day, just doing some short sprints upstairs on the track. And then that's when I felt a shooting pain down my leg. My leg went numb. I felt tingling down my whole leg from my hip all the way down to my toes. And that's when I knew that there was a serious injury.
When Zach told me what was going on with him, I knew right then it was something different. I knew at that time that we needed to find the best orthopedic spine specialist. And we had met Dr. Park back when Zach was going through his stress fractures. And Dr. Park's an excellent doctor, was very highly recommended. Also, based upon my research, I knew he was one of the best doctors dealing with lumbar spine, orthopedics, spine specialists, and also dealing with athletes. I remember emailing Dr. Park. My son's a college athlete. He plays college football. He's on scholarship, and he has some disc issues, ruptured disc in his back. And I asked him specifically, do you do endoscopic microdiscectomies, which very, very few doctors did nationally. And he said, yes, he did, absolutely. And he was willing to see us immediately. We went in to see him. He would be able to perform the endoscopic procedure, completely less minimally invasive than even a microdiscectomy. And that's when we decided we wanted to go with him.
Sometimes a lot of people, doctors, will tell you that these can be healed with conservative approaches, but when it gets to affecting the whole nerve function, that's when I knew I had to get surgery for sure. So if I wanted to get back to the high level of football that I was playing at.
The surgeries was no more than an hour and a half. It wasn't long at all from the times that they took Zach back to the time he came out to speak with us. Dr. Park, after the surgery, came out and provided me and my wife with pictures of the actual images that were taken during SAC procedure of the biportal endoscopic microdiscectomy.
When I woke up in recovery, I was able to walk out feeling instant relief, my nerve pain had all subsided, no more pain shooting down my leg. I felt almost somewhat back to normal. I could walk to the car, and I could tell right away that the surgery was successful and that Dr. Park did everything and more than what he was supposed to do to help fix my situation. I had surgery, like I said, May 10th. For the first couple weeks, I couldn't really do no bending, lifting, or twisting of anything. So then that was really the end of the month of May. Late June, I started some physical therapy. The recovery's been pretty good. As you can see, I'm out here on my basketball court. I can jump back pretty good to normal. That's not full 10, but before I couldn't even jump, really do anything, shoot around, play basketball really. But now I'm full back doing things normal life things that I used to do. Special thanks to Dr. Park here in Michigan. He was the only surgeon that knew how to really perform this endoscopic approach, and he did a great job in helping me get back to playing at a high level that I was before. And I would definitely recommend Dr. Park to anyone, especially any athlete dealing with back herniations.